Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you how to lose weight by using black coffee. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. There is practically nothing that can substitute coffee for coffee lovers. Health experts emphasize on the health promoting properties of black coffee when taken regularly and weight loss in one of them. We know that nothing can please a real coffee lover than a cup of hot black coffee with a few drops of lemon or honey in it. There is practically nothing that can substitute coffee. Did you say tea? Ask a real coffee lover and you will get your answer. Some even go to the extent for pairing coffee with a range of foods, drinks and even desserts. There is no denying the fact that consuming coffee judiciously has been tied to promoting good health. Health experts around the world emphasize on the health promoting properties of black coffee when taken regularly, but in moderation, and weight loss is one of them. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of regular black coffee brewed from ground beans contains 2 calories, whereas 1 fluid ounce of rich black espresso contains only 1 calorie. If you brew your coffee from decaffeinated beans, the calorie count reduces to 0. The extra sweeteners and flavors like jaggery, sugar, milk, vanilla, soya and chocolate syrup may yield up to 700 calories per serving. Black coffee for weight loss. Black coffee has an element called chlorogenic acid, which is known to speed up weight loss if you consume black coffee after soup or dinner. The presence of chlorogenic acid slows down the production of glucose in the body. Moreover, the production of new fat cells decreases, meaning lesser calories in the body. You may also add nut milk or cream to your black coffee, which will not only enhance the flavor but will give you better results, especially if you are looking to shed those extra kilos. But if you think that it's only the chlorogenic acid that makes black coffee ideal for weight loss, then you should be surprised to know that black coffee also boasts various antioxidants, which are also equally responsible for effective weight loss. Additionally, if you pair your regular intake of black coffee with a low-calorie diet, you will have amazing result in just no time. Black coffee consists of caffeine that very effectively increasing metabolic activity and boosts energy level in our body. Better metabolic activities and high energy levels may lead to suppression of hunger in the body. However, make sure to avoid adding sugar or other sweeteners to make it a low-calorie drink. So without any guilt and second thoughts, add black coffee to your daily diet and get ready to shed those extra kilos. You may consider adding jaggery, honey or nut milk to enhance the taste of your black coffee. Additionally, black coffee is a natural healer. There are many people who end up weighing more due to excess water weight. Black coffee helps decrease the extra water content in the body through frequent urination. This method helps to shed those extra pounds without any threatening side effects. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.